So today we will learn how to integrate your Bing or the Microsoft Ads tracking with the Tag Manager. So to do that, first thing which you have to do is get your the Microsoft Ads account created and do your give just fill your basic information including your PAN card because that's one of the thing which is required to get started with. And apart from that, your basic information like your name, phone number, and your business details, address, including everything. So once you are done with creating your account, so you will be asked to create a new account, or you can also import all your information from Meta Ads or link Google Ads. So let's say in this case, we will not be importing anything. We will, but we will be creating the whole setup starting from the scratch. So once you're done with all those things, you will be land on this page. Since we are particularly talking about how to set up the conversion, so I'll move to the conversion part and then we'll click on this UET tag, which stand for universal the event tracking. So I already have this account created, but just to demonstrate like how it goes, I will create a new tag and will show you like how you can do it on your own just by having the access of the tag manager. So I'll create click on this create to create a new UAT tag. I will name it a disease domain. DC stands for digital COVID. Will really use the same description. Since I'm not going ahead with the Microsoft Clarity at this point, but again, if you want, then you can just go ahead. And in this case, let's just click and. But if you want, you can just go ahead or. But I will not go ahead because I already have Microsoft Clarity, installed with my, the website. So I will just turn this off and I'll click on save and continue. I will do it by and okay. So over here we can see this four option available. Either you can install it by yourself or you can send it to developer if you have any, or you can do it through other website the editing platform. I will just show you like how it's done. So in case you're if you're using a WordPress, you can just go ahead and do it from the WordPress directly. Wix, Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, Squarespace. Let's with any application with the the you just have to the copy the code or the tracking code and install it in your website's header. So that's all you have to do. With the with the WordPress, you can just install this the plugin, and you can download the plugin and you can install in our site, and you can just copy paste the tracking code, and or also can follow this instruction. So but with this approach we are not going ahead with that too. The last option we have, like either if you click on this option, it will automatically add the of course it will ask for Google Ads account permission, and it will automatically add the tracking code to your tag manager. But this is also not something we will be going because we want to do it from scratch and do it manually. So I'll just opt this install. I will just opt this install tag manager. Tag yourself. Click on next, and we will be getting this code. But uh, before we move forward, let's just go to the tag manager. Over here, what you have to do. Click on tags, click on new, and click on tag configuration. Click on just search for Microsoft Ads at this Microsoft Advertising Universal event tracking. And this is all done. What you have to do, you just have to the you just need your the UAT tag, sorry UET tag ID from your code. So this is your UET code. You just have to copy and paste. Click on trigger. I'll just trigger on all page, and name I'll just keep it as it is. So because that's perfectly fine. Now to check like if it's working or not. There's two way where we can there's two way where you can get verified. The first is Google Tag Manager's own preview. So we'll just click on the website. We can see, the Microsoft Advertising Universal got fired, but this is before we have not deployed the code on the website yet. So this is before the code. So you can test it from over here, but we also have one extension provided by the ads, and the name of this, the extension is UET Tag Helper by Microsoft Advertising. But this tool only will help once you already have the code deployed on the other side. But in this case, we have not done that, so we just have to click on the submit button and we'll have to publish on this button. So once this code is live on your site, you can just go ahead and try uh, install this plugin. So this will look something like this. So this is how you have to enable it on your side. So let me just go again on the side. Let me just go ahead on the side, and then over here we can see we have published this tracking code. And the moment I refresh, see, three times it got fired, and we can see the same tracking code over here. See, same tracking code expiring on this page. So that means the tracking code is working perfectly fine on the side. So yeah, that's how we can also configure uh, the tag. And once you are done, just click on this done. So this one is the one which we did recently. This one is the one which I did previously, and this will get verified the same as the tag. So yeah, that's how you can also do it. Thank you so much for